Hey there, Chet here. Now, if you're looking to automate your work, you will quickly find two big names that people talk about all the time, Make.com and n8n. I get asked constantly, which one is better? Which one should I use? But the honest answer is that one is not just better than the other. They are two completely different tools built for two different kinds of people with different needs. One is like a simple, friendly calculator that is very easy to use for everyday math. The other is like a powerful scientific calculator that can handle very complex problems but takes a little more time to learn. Both of them are useful but for very different tasks. In this video, I want to tell you the story of these two tools. We'll look at what makes each one special so that you can figure out which one is the right calculator for the problems you're trying to solve. And by the way, as we talk about these tools, if you want to check out n8n for yourself, I have put the links to their official website and my own easy setup tutorial in the description below. Now, let's start with Make.com. When you first open Make, it feels incredibly friendly and welcoming. The best thing about it is how it shows you your automation. You can see your data moving from one little circle to the next. It is a very visual and almost playful way to build, and it makes learning the basics of automation a lot of fun. It feels like a polished, high-quality product from the moment you start. Make is designed for people who want to connect their apps quickly without getting stuck on technical details. If you want to automate a straightforward task like saving an email attachment to your cloud drive, Make is one of the easiest and fastest ways to do it. But that simplicity and ease of use comes with some downsides. The main one is the price. Make charges you for every little step that your automation takes. That means that as your business grows and your automations run more frequently, your monthly bill can get very high very quickly. You also have to work with the connections and features that they decide to give you. It is sometimes difficult to go beyond what is officially offered on their platform. Now, let's talk about n8n. n8n feels more like a professional workshop. Now, it gives you a clean canvas and a huge set of powerful tools and trusts that you can build whatever you want. The biggest and most important difference is that you can run it yourself on your own server, which makes the n8n software itself completely free to use. This means that your cost can stay incredibly low, no matter how much your business grows. You also get total freedom. You can connect to any tool on the internet, not just the ones on a pre-approved list. And because you host it yourself, all of your important business data stays private and secure with you. It is built for people who want to build anything they can imagine without being limited. Now, the downside of all this power and freedom is that it requires a little more responsibility from you. When you have access to a full workshop of powerful tools, you're expected to learn how to use them safely and correctly, right? With n8n, this means that you have to do the initial setup yourself if you want to use the free version. It gives you more power, but it expects you to learn how to handle it. And learning to use a more powerful tool can feel like a big step. You might not know where to start, and that's perfectly fine. That is what I help people with inside my school community. I've created a complete course that teaches you everything about n8n, from the simple basics to the powerful advanced features. We have live calls, and you get templates to help you build with confidence. If you're ready to learn how to use a more professional tool, the link for that is in the description. So, at the end of the day, which tool is right for you? Well, Make.com is a fantastic choice if you want an easy, beautiful tool for simple automations and you do not mind the monthly bill that grows with your usage. But if you want unlimited power, total control over your data, and a much lower cost, and you're willing to spend a little time learning, then n8n is without a doubt the tool for you. All right, that's the end of this video. I sincerely hope this helps you decide which tool is the right fit for your next project. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.